You don't arrest them. Once we are told that we know that you surrounded them at Ken Ebenezer, I don't know exactly their name, and you later on you release all of them without arresting them. But here you come and kill our people also. Now some of them have died also. And many have got injured and many are missing.
This statement is totally wrong.
No.
Yes.
We know. We are here. Very sport. I don't know what kind of people you are. I don't know for whom. If you want, you can kill them. All of us. No. If you think that we are not Indians,
We are here.
now as if we are not Indian, we are not citizens. You are considering in this way. You in your eyes, in your opinion, we are animals, and for you we are valueless.
No.
At any time we can be killed. We don't have any work for you in your side.
Oh, no.
So what kind?
quote the
I don't know. We expect you as our security personnel. You are there, therefore we are fearless. We consider in this way. But from today, what you are doing when we see this, we cannot consider you as our security person.
If you are in listening mode, can you listen me?
Yeah, please tell me. Please tell me. I don't know how you got the situation. I don't know.
Your safeguard.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Then how you come and kill our innocent village guard? Because you know.
Fair kill. Who told you the No. Don't.
It is happening. It is happening.
No,
you will come to know very soon. The fact will come out now.
Who told you?
I know.
No.
I know.
Not spread rumors. No. It is not right.
Not rumors. I know that. I know the fact.
You don't know fact.
No.
Fact. You know the fact.
I'm telling the fact.
Yeah, no.
Then you can search me if I'm telling a lie. You can search me. It is true. It is very serious. Yes, I'm telling you. I'm telling the truth.
Then prove it.
It will come to the light very soon.
Either you prove it, otherwise you not spread the lie. No.
So in this area, sir, one case. In this area, there is no disturbance. This voluntary is protection. But see, the opposite, this is Kampokui. This is Ukial there, no?
Except media.
No, this is Naga.
So the volunteer gentleman listening, we don't know which is the part is belonging to Naga, which part belonging to Bitiang, which part belonging to the method. We don't know. We are came here to we don't know what is the matter. I don't know. Totally they have be not aware about the situation.
So now I